How does carbon capture technology work in power plants? Have you ever wondered how power plants can reduce their carbon dioxide emissions? Carbon capture technology is a fascinating solution that helps tackle this challenge. Let's break down how it works in a straightforward way. First, carbon capture technology is designed to prevent carbon dioxide emissions from entering the atmosphere. This is especially important for power plants that burn fossil fuels like coal or natural gas. When these fuels are burned, they produce heat, which generates steam to drive turbines and create electricity. However, this process also releases carbon dioxide mixed with other gases in the exhaust, known as flue gas. The first step in carbon capture is the capture itself. In fossil fuel power plants, a chemical solvent, often amines, is used to wash the exhaust gases in a device called a scrubber. The carbon dioxide binds to the solvent, effectively separating it from the rest of the gases. After this, the solvent, now rich in carbon dioxide, is heated in a separate unit called a stripper. This heating process releases the carbon dioxide, allowing it to be collected. Remarkably, this method can remove between 90% and 99% of carbon dioxide from the exhaust. Next comes the transport phase. Once the carbon dioxide is captured, it is compressed into a dense form. This dense carbon dioxide is then transported to a storage site. Most often, this is done through pipelines, but it can also be transported by road or ship if needed. Finally, we reach the storage phase. The compressed carbon dioxide is injected deep underground into geological formations. These formations can be saline aquifers or depleted oil and gas reservoirs, typically located over a kilometer beneath the surface. Here, impermeable rock layers trap the carbon dioxide permanently, preventing it from leaking back into the atmosphere. It's worth noting that there are different variations of capture technology depending on the type of power plant. For instance, in coal gasification plants, coal is partially oxidized to create a synthesis gas. This gas contains hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide is then converted to carbon dioxide, which is easier to separate because it is at a higher concentration than in regular flue gas. This method, known as precombustion capture, allows for more efficient carbon dioxide removal. From the perspective of high-risk professions, carbon capture technology intersects with jobs that involve environmental hazards and pollution mitigation. Workers in carbon capture facilities face unique challenges. They handle chemicals like amines, manage high-pressure carbon dioxide pipelines, and work in complex industrial environments. These roles share demanding conditions with other high-risk jobs such as logging or deep-sea fishing, where safety and precision are vital. Additionally, storm chasers and environmental scientists may study the impact of reduced emissions on climate patterns. This links carbon capture efforts to broader environmental monitoring. In essence, carbon capture technology works by chemically extracting carbon dioxide from power plant emissions, compressing and transporting it, and then securely storing it underground. This process significantly reduces the environmental impact of fossil fuel energy production while requiring skilled workers to manage both environmental and operational risks.